Video by Wochit News Santa Barbara, California. Officials say the massive wildfire that California has been battling since early December is now the third largest in the state's history, with 259,000 acres burned so far and the flames only 40% contained. In terms of acreage consumed, the fire that started on December.4 now exceeds the devastating rim fire in 2013 by 2,000 acres. Steve Concialdi, of the Orange County Fire Association, says the region has had red flag conditions for an unprecedented 13 consecutive days. Red flag conditions are when low relative humidity is combined with gusty, strong winds. As of this morning, we're at 259,000 acres and still growing, Concialdi said. The wildfire threatens thousands of homes despite armies of fire crews and fleets of bulldozers and aircraft. Although Santa Ana winds eased on Friday amid the blaze northwest of Los Angeles, they are expected to return with a vengeance over the weekend. And the fire is so large that winds on one end may be gustier than those on the other side. The 11-day-old Thomas fire surging through Ventura and Santa Barbara counties had devoured some 400 square miles of brush and timber and burned more than 1,000 buildings, including well over 750 homes. An additional 18,000 buildings are still in jeopardy, including mansions in the wealthy enclave of Montecito. Some 8,000 firefighters, 32 helicopters and 78 bulldozers have responded to the fire. Santa Barbara has had only a tiny amount of rain since October.1, the start of the new water year, and is more than 3 inches below normal to date. Another focus of firefighting was on the eastern flank in canyons, where a state firefighter was killed Thursday near the agricultural town of Fillmore. Officials have released no details on the death of 32-year-old Cory Iverson. The National Weather Service forecast extreme fire danger or red flag conditions through at least Saturday evening, with winds gusting to 40 miles per hour in the Santa Barbara County mountains where the fire is burning. Firefighters were facing first northerly sundowner winds through the night that could turn into northeasterly Santa Ana winds, driving the flames in another direction. Everything about the fire was massive, from a footprint larger than that of many cities to the sheer scale of destruction that cremated entire neighborhoods or the legions attacking it.